is happening? Coming at you live from the Drift Z. Wait for it. Satisfying. Honestly, it's so cool to have this in the car. Even if I'm not using it, like, it just looks cool as shit. Well, let's wake up the neighbors. My toenail dog. I can't wait till I change that shit. Bro, this should be annoying. I just put a full tank in right now. I need to pop that thing back there and see if the floater is hitting the lines. 'Cause that ain't it.
20 minutes later. Damn, what we got here, perro?
Damn, we got that new Fly One carbon fiber OEM style hatch. That way we can match all the carbon fiber, hood, roof cap, and the hatch.
We got a hood over here too? You already know what's gonna come, bro. Like, what car do I have that doesn't have carbon? That's impossible. But man, it's so clean. I love the interior. I know a lot of people do like a drift build and they like gut the interior. I'm like, bruh, it's such a flex having clean interior on a drift car. I mean, the outside is gonna be fact, but as long as the inside's clean. Haven't hit any curbs yet.
For like 3 months. Henry's dirt drops.
For like 3 months.
Henry's dirt drops on the 3-piece and he just...
Oh, hell yeah. Windshield wiper delete.
Yep, we don't need that.
That looks good. Just nice.
Where you at, fool? Everybody waking up? Hey. Bro, you already know the same shit, bro. There's no hope.
Damn, my shit looks salvaged right now. It's like I rolled this shit over. So this is the first time I'm ever going carbon hatch. I actually had one that I was gonna put on the boosted Z, but I ended up selling it. They just dropped this one over here at Fly One, hooked me up fast, so. Yes sir, why not? It's probably one of the only parts that I shouldn't damage drifting, so that's cool. But yeah, eventually I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up cutting this and doing over fenders. And yeah, it's gonna be full blown at that point. Hood is about to go on. This thing's hella clean. Slammed on T's. Simple, man. It's nice. God, I love some Nissans. Very nice. Looks sick. So we have the carbon hood. Tomorrow I'm getting the carbon roof cap put on. Doing the hatch today. So the whole top's gonna be full carbon. It's just gonna look dope. Damn, I stepped outside like, oh my goodness. Sheesh. Gotta go look at that real quick. Beautiful, man. Nismo GTRs are just, they're it, chief. This is 16 or 15? I'm not sure. Freaking mint, bro. I think it only has like 7,000 miles. Mint.
346 minutes later.
Bam, there it is. Sheesh. Carbon hatch boys, carbon hood boys. We got UPS going out to pick up some more parts for me. See you soon. Looks good. So tomorrow, I'm getting the roof cap installed, and then boom, top look is complete. It's been a pain in the ass to get the like weather stripping under here, which would have made it look a little better versus having this little bit of gap. But you know, it's a fucking drift car, bro. Like, I'm not tripping. Like I said, the car is clean for now. I'm just trying to make this thing look dope, but at the same time, like, not do like too much to it. The top part of the car could be clean because it's always gonna stay clean. The rest of this shit, gas away. So it's only a matter of time. But yeah, man, shit is dope. it's dangerous because it's just so easy to use, bro. Because all this thing does is stare at you all day long you're driving the car. Pull me, pull me. Why not? Just pull me, it won't hurt. It's like U-turns don't exist anymore, bro. Like if you don't use this for a U-turn, what are you doing? We got a pretty dope event tomorrow. It's gonna be at Sheepy Race. Everybody's gonna pull up. Should be pretty dope. I'll be on the lookout for that video. But yeah, man, hopefully next weekend we can get the Z retuned. Be out driving that thing again. I can't wait.
Very next evening.
We hopping back into this video. I'm about to pick up the Z. I got the roof cap installed. I'm picking up my other burner wheels Monday. Try to get those mounted, put them on the car. I feel like the other wheels might look a little better. The RPF ones came on my car, so I was just like, whatever. I'll just coat them some like crazy color and just, you know, they're gonna be burners. So, and there she is. That looks sick. Good. It's clean. So I got some hood pins coming, and it's not too much else, man. Thing's ready to be beat up.
The next day.
Top of the top, guys. Didn't forget my key this morning. I need some gas. Here goes $100. About to go put it in the tank that I know I'm gonna burn today. Let's see how much it is. I mean, I'm not complaining. It is what it is. I just don't get this shit, bruh. Bruh. I can tell you that these are the worst times to be driving a V8. I can tell you that much right now. Oh, this is a nice turn. Come back here. Well, besides that, I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Hope you had a good weekend. I had a pretty cool weekend. It was chill. Right now I'm headed over to the wrap shop. I need to drop off some stuff for the A-pillars for them. Then I need to go to the dealer later. I don't know what I did with my screws for the A-pillars, so I have to go buy some new screws, special order. I have to wait a few days for those. Then gotta hit OC today. I'm gonna be picking up my burner wheels for the Drift Z. I got 6 wheels, they hooked it up. Nothing too crazy today, pretty chill vibes. Just gonna be picking the wheels up. Drop them off to my boy Victor, have him mount them whenever he can. Oh. Besides that, I think I need to stop by BMW as well, because the stupid ass taillight is out. I checked the bulb was fine. I swapped it out with another bulb and this shit didn't do anything. What else? I checked the fuses, all the fuses seem good, so I'm like, bruh. Like, don't tell me this is some kind of short in the harness. Like, this is gonna be annoying, bruh. BMW problems. I'm just hoping that it's like the housing module that it's like the harness plugs into there and then you put the bulbs into that housing. I'm hoping it's just that. That's simply replaceable. It takes like 2 seconds. So I might just try to go buy one of those and hope that's the problem. If not, it's just gonna suck, bruh. Because it's gonna be deeper than that. It's gonna be like some kind of short somewhere or something. So hopefully not, but I don't want to be driving around with a tail light out because that just gives cops a reason to pull me over. I get pulled over for a tail light and end up with a state rep. So it's just shit that I don't want to deal with. Check on the Z right now. See how it's going, see how it's looking. Damn. Looking like new. It's gonna look really clean. Really clean. I can't wait to drive her again. Just got spotted right now. What's up, dog? Damn, dog, you're just smoking, fool. Alright. We just pulling up. Let's see what we got. Uh-huh. You know the vibes. And let's go. We got 6 burners, man. Shout out to the new sponsor, Kanze Wheels. Hooked it up.